If you are a pet lover, you will want to get our next crafty kit, which is the Pet Forever Resin Making Kit. This kit will help you make a very cute paw-shaped memory or keepsake encasing your fur kit's fur forever. And you get to make this as a fridge magnet or a pin that you can pin on and carry with you everywhere. Bring it to you when you travel. If you have someone that's missing your fur kit that's away, you can send this to them. You can carry it with you, keep it as a memory. It's a wonderful gift for any pet lovers as well. In this kit, you have enough to make 2 of these pet paws. You'll be working with epoxy resin that is toxic free and fume free, which is very important. Everything is in this kit, and you have the video instructions and written instructions as well to follow. It's great for beginners that have never worked with epoxy resin before, and you get to keep your memories of your fur kits and bring them around wherever you go. So try this out and let us know what you think.